So the rectangular pattern tool. So it's under basic 2D or 3D, excuse me, and here's rectangular pattern. You're going to click and open up rectangular
please contact the high school office.
.ipt, and it's just going to look like a blank box right here. Now we're going to start the sketch tool, and we're going to just click on that front surface, and the rectangle will turn around for us, so we're looking at it. And we're going to use a point right here. I'm going to put this point on the surface of the plate. We're going to dimension. I'm going to dimension from the point to this wall here, and I'm just following the instructions over here, and that distance is going to be 1 inch. Then I'm going to dimension from the point to the top line, and again that dimension is going to be 1 inch. So I'm going to finish my sketch, and I'm going to begin my hole command right here. And what I need to do is I need to set these parameters up just like it is in this box. So it already knows to put the hole on that center point, and it also knows that I want it to be a drilled hole, and that the size of it is going to be 0.75 inches, just like it says here, and then the distance is going to be through all. And let's see, I'm just going to click on that hole right there, and I just had to click on that just to activate the OK symbol, and I can say OK. Now I put the hole into our block. Now we need to create the pattern, and how you do that is you go and find rectangular pattern. A rectangular pattern is right up here above the word pattern. I'm going to click on that, and the first thing it wants to know is what feature do I want to rectangular pattern. So that is going to be that circle right there. Next thing is wants me to click on this top line right here, but that's after I click on the arrow underneath direction 1. So I'm going to click on this top arrow, and what you'll see is that there's an arrow pointing to the left and this circle to the left, but I want my pattern to go in this direction to the right. So I'm going to hit the flip arrow, and I'm going to put in 3 to the right, okay, and the direction or the distance is going to be, spacing is going to be 2 inches. So I'm going to change where it says 2 here, change this to 3, and then this is the spacing right here. I'm going to change that to 2 inches. And I'm going to say, I'm not going to say OK yet. I'm going to now put in the information for direction 2. So I'm going to click on the arrow under direction 2. I'm going to click on the line on the edge, and it's going to tell me, it's going to want to know how many holes I want to put in. So I want to put in 4, and the distance is going to be 1.375. 1.375. And I'm going to say OK. And that is the rectangular pattern tool. So you're going to do a file and save as, and then you're going to find your H drive someplace here. Whoops. You're going to find your H drive and save this, and you're going to name it rectangular. It's already there, and you're going to, of course, hit save. And that's the end.